Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ubaid Ahmad Lon, son of Muhammad Akbar Lon. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir. My education qualification is 10th. My work experience is 2 years in hotel as F&B associate.
Good morning, sir. I am Sambhu Yadav from Ambedkar Nagar, UP. We belong a farmer family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We have 2 sisters and 1 elder brothers. We have completed graduation in 2007 from our university in Faizabad, 2nd division. I have working in MSSL Sharjah 3 months and in India MSSL with 7 years at the post of line leader, assembly area. Thanks.
My name is Shoaib Khan. My father's name is Dekhe Khan. My qualification is graduation from Mirza Ghalib College, Bihar. My family member is 5 brothers and 2 sisters. I have working experience for 2 years.